maka saya buka sekejap. And then after that, do not forget also, if you have the field, face shield, you can use your face shield. And then last but not least, do not be in the crowd. Avoid the crowd. So today, even though we are not so close, but we have to be close because we are in the city. We do not want to take time. Okay. First of all, we would like to begin to introduce ourselves. Karena pelajaran kita kebetulan adalah introducing oneself and introducing one friend to another friend, one friend to our friends. Okay. Kita mulai dari saya yang berada di paling sebelah kiri. Hello, my students. My name is Ami Syamsia Zaina. You can call me Ami. Miss Ami, my students always call me Ami. I'm teaching class 10 Social 1 and 10 Social 2. I live in Yogyakarta for about 24 years. I'm married with 3 sons. I'm happy to be your teacher. And I think that's all from me. After this class, after this Zoom meeting, you can see my slides that I can send to your class through your home. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now it's my turn. Let me introduce myself. My name is Indarti Pujiastuti, and all my students can call me Lucy. I'm going to teach 10 Science 1, Science 2, and Science 3. I live in Wara, Sumberjati, Meranti Sleman, Yogyakarta. I'm married, and now I have 2 sons. And what else? What do you usually do in your free time? In my free time, my hobby is reading and watching. Maybe you like Korea. No, I'm watching Korea too. Or sometimes you can travel. Yeah, okay. And I think that's it. My short introduction now is Ms. Dewi Chur. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you. Hello, my new students. I am Ms. Dewi. I'm teaching you. And first of all, I say welcome to beloved Man Yogyakarta 3. I teach 10 Social 3 and religions. Repeat, I teach in 10 Social 3 and religions. Okay, I am Ms. Dewi. I complete name Dewi Sri Hidayati. You can call me Miss Dewi. I live in Selotraman, Kota Gede, Yogyakarta. And I have 2 sons. The first son married, and the second son is single. Okay, thank you very much. See you. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Okay, Michael. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How do you do? Nice to meet you. Okay, let me introduce myself. It's Zazama Fitriani, and you can call me Mrs. P. And I will teach you in the 10 of Science 4 and 5. Yes, yes, you can call my name Mrs. P. I am married, and I have 2 sons. I live in Purwomartani, Kalasan, Sleman. Do you know Purwomartani, Kalasan, Sleman? No. It is explore Samisari Temple. You know, Samisari Temple, it is well known. Yeah. You can visit Samisari Temple. Yeah, I have 2 sons. Yeah, and then what else? I am from Gunung Kidul. Do you know Gunung Kidul?
Yes.
Seleman.
Selemanis.
Okay. Welcome to my Sleman, and I have a pro. You know, Peri. And all of us. I think yeah. Okay, no pain, no milk, no sweat.
Perkenalan kemudian persenang-senang kemudian.
So we must study hard
Oke.
yeah, to get the success. I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye.
Before I forget that today we also accompanied by the PPL student of UII, Islamic University of Yogyakarta, to with me, Mbak Tia. Mbak Tia, would you please come here and show? So my student can see you. Yeah, Mbak Tia. No problem, no problem. Make sure you stand up. Nah. Mbak Tia representing mewakili 4 teman-teman yang lain karena berada di luar Yogyakarta. So Mbak Tia will be with me in Social 1 and Social 2. The other 2 will be with Ms. Indati to accompany Ms. Indati teaching English class 10. I think that's all for today. And as Bu Fitri has already said the program, I also want to close this introduction by saying that language is difficult to get, easy to forget. So practice. Everyone, nice thing. We will continue this introduction by showing you the slide of PowerPoint. All right, everybody. Today I would like to show you the slide. Actually, we have already introduced ourselves, but I am also preparing the slide so you can see it. And want to screenshot it? Can everybody listen to my voice?
Sorry.
I see Mbak Nabila there. I see many other students. How are you doing? Yes. This one is for English class 10 semester 1, academic year 2020 and 2021. Next, please. Berikutnya. Yes. So we have the commitment. Do not forget our commitment, or we usually say kontrak belajar, yaitu kehadiran minimal yang harus dipenuhi dan materi pembelajaran yang akan kalian peroleh selama 1 semester ini. Okay, there are 5 KD, kompetensi dasar, or what we call basic competence. That is introduction like today, expression of complimenting, and
the others. You can see that from your own teacher, and then showing intention, yaitu menunjukkan atau mengungkapkan keinginan. It will be 3 kinds of showing intention dengan menggunakan will, menggunakan would, and to be going to. And then after that, you will have the describing historical buildings, descriptive text, tetapi khusus untuk historical buildings. And then after that, announcement. Announcement bisa dipakai both for spoken and written. In written, you might see it everywhere. Ya, bisa dilihat banyak tempat, tapi ketika kita mendengarkan, maybe you can listen it from the airport, from the airplane, etc., etc. Okay. Next, you can see kontrak belajar lanjutan, yaitu, okay, thank you Pak Angga, and you may following the online class nicely. How is it nicely? Be on time, be disciplined, do the job, do the task, and submit it on time. And then do not forget to list the online list present. And after that, you may be active to ask your teachers about the things that you don't know. Jadi jangan pernah berkata saya malu bertanya. Orang hanya malu pada perbuatan yang tercela, tapi untuk bertanya, mendapatkan ilmu, itu merupakan kewajiban yang harus kalian jalankan. So do not hesitate, jangan ragu, asking the question to your teacher. And then, kontrak belajar berikutnya adalah utamakan kejujuran. Honesty. Why? Because we don't know whether you are doing something bad at home because we are far away. So kita bekerja, jujur atau tidak jujur akan kembali kepada diri kita sendiri. And then be disciplined, ya, jadilah disiplin dengan belajar yang baik walaupun kita berada jauh. Saya hari ini melihat Mbak Husna, Mbak Amalia, Bakti Pertiwi, Mbak Nabila, and many others hello there. And then setelah utamakan kejujuran, kedisiplinan, satu lagi tanggung jawab, because all of us has tanggung jawab. Next. Ya, so this is what I have already told you di awal, bahwa KD ada 3.1, 4.1 sampai 3.5, 4.5. What does it mean? Ketika kita belajar di ranah 3, berarti kita belajar the theory. All the things that you can learn from the theory. Mengapa ada 4.1? 4.1 will prove that we have already understood apa yang kita pelajari dari the theory. We apply the theory in the form of your production. It could be you make the dialogue, ya, kita membuat dialog untuk perkenalan, atau bisa menulisnya dalam text dialogue, right? And then ketika kita harus menghadapi describing places, kalian mungkin akan mendapatkan project untuk menerangkan atau memberikan presentasi tentang the building that you choose. Next, you can read it and you can have the time to screenshot it, ya. Boleh di screenshot kalau kita lupa. Oke. Selanjutnya. Nah, ini adalah profil all the teachers of English in Mayoga that have already introduced to you. Ya, semua sudah melihat, ada Miss Dewi, ada Miss Jazama, ada Miss Indarti, and me myself, Ami Syamsia Zaina. I think that's all. Berikutnya kalian akan belajar dari guru-guru yang lain, sementara slide ini akan saya peruntukkan bagi kelas yang saya ampu. That's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oh, bagus.
Ini. Beda. Beda. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss Ami. Yeah. And I'm going to continue this lesson today. Once again, welcome to Mantri Saiman, and you meet me, Mrs. Fitri. Here, yeah, we meet each other here through online session because of COVID-19, because of the COVID, coronavirus disease. So don't forget to, because of corona, yeah, don't forget to wear your mask and then wash your hand so often with soap and hand sanitizer, and keep this social distancing, and also keep cleanliness, ya. Jaga kebersihan. Well, next. Yeah, we are going to talk about chapter 1, that is introduction. Yeah, I'm sure that introduction, it is easy for you and it is familiar for you, because when you were in the SMP or MTS, you did it, introduction, or every time we meet each other in the first time, we always introduce ourselves. Yeah. Next is introducing oneself and others. Oh yeah. Next, you will do assignment. Akan mengerjakan tugas yang pertama, ya, introduction. Yeah, because it is familiar for you. Yeah. Introduction first is introduce yourself and introduce one of your family. The first is greeting, your name, position, and etc. Yeah, I'll give you an example directly. Yeah. Okay, this one is the example. Hello, how do you do? Nice to meet you. It is greeting. And then my name is Jasma Fitriani. You can call me Mrs. Fitri. I am your English teacher now. I am one of 4 siblings and I am the oldest. Sisters and 1 younger brother. That one is introduce myself. Yeah, introducing oneself. And then the second one, you can screenshot, yeah. The second one is my younger sisters are civil servants like me. Do you know civil servants? Yeah, government official is the same. Pegawai negeri, yeah. Okay. One of them is a midwife. Do you know midwife? Yeah, a person who helps to bear a baby, yeah. She lives in Purworejo, Central Java. She has 2 daughters and 1 son. She works very hard and she is a friendly midwife. Yeah, this one is introduce others, memperkenalkan orang lain. Jadi number 1 till number 5 above, ya, introduce myself, and number 1 till number 5 di bawahnya itu introduce others. The next, yeah, you can make it tidy, ya, lebih rapi, ya, and also please write the date, July 21st, 2020, and you can also put above, ya, on the right side, put your photograph here, ya, by yourself or with your family is okay.
Sampai jelas banget.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how do you do? Greetingnya itu, ya, you can screenshot, ya.
Silahkan di screenshot PR-nya nanti seperti itu di assignment. Sudah ya? The next. Nah, which one is the midwife? You can put your photograph, ya, like that. And the last, and the next, how to do the assignment? Bagaimana mengerjakan tugasnya? Number one, write the homework. Write the homework by handwriting, tulisan tangan. Jadi nanti kalian mengerjakannya the first time ditulis tangan on a piece of paper, di secari kertas. Yeah, and the teachers will know your handwriting then, yeah. And attach your photograph alone or with your family is okay. Number two, add your assignment in the Google Form provided. Ya, nanti kita persiapkan Google Form-nya untuk semuanya. Nah, and the third, last submission or due date is 2 days after now. 2 days after now. Ya, 2 hari setelah hari ini ya. At 23:59 seconds. Oh yeah. Once again, you can screenshot how to do the assignment and also the example. The introduction. Any question? Maybe Mas Pandu, Mas Miftah, Alisa, Tita, Safira. Halo Alisa. Saya membuka ini. Saya membuka conversation. Halo Mbak Nabila Yuki, Amalia, Bakti, Pertiwi, Royhan Syah Ismail. Where are you from? Royhan Syah Ismail?
From Palembang.
Oh, Sumatranis ya. It is far from here. Thank you. And Amalia, where are you from? Yeah, where are you from?
Kebumen.
Oh, Kebumen, ngapak-ngapak ya. Thank you, Amalia. Once again, Husna. Nabila. Halo, Nabila. Ya.
Yeah, I'm from Kebumen too.
Okay,
Kebumen too.
Nabila, once again, introduce yourself. Nabila tadi mana? Ya, Farel. Yang bisa aja.
Silahkan di-unmute gitu, jenis bilangan dari sana.
Oh ya, okay. Maybe any questions? Good-looking students, siswa yang tampan and siswi yang cantik, good-looking student. Any question? Maybe?
Assalamualaikum. I have question to you.
Yes, okay. Your name is?
My name is Yusuf Musyafa.
Yes. Your question is?
What are Padlets for?
Pardon me?
What are Padlets for? Padlet. For?
Padlet.
Yes.
Padlet is one of like Kahoot, like Canva, like the name. Can you do Padlet?
Sorry, I didn't hear.
Oh yeah. Can you make something with Padlet?
What are
Padlet
Padlet for?
is one of like Canva, like Kahoot, like Miss Iin. Can you explain it? Padlet, Kahoot,
and then Canva, and then Powtoon, like that? Do you mean like that? Yeah, media. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
Sorry,
What
sorry.
else? What else?
Padlet. What Padlet?
That is
Format any
media pembelajaran yang
Yes.
digunakan seperti Kahoot, seperti apa namanya, Quizzes, seperti itu. Tapi di mana ya? Yeah, like that I think. Padlet is like that.
Okay,
Can
okay.
you catch? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Another question, maybe? No?
I have one
Yeah.
more.
Oh, one more. Okay.
Padletnya kita ngisi apa tadi perkenalannya itu di Google Form atau di Padlet yang dikirim?
Oh, oke. Di Google Form nanti akan di-share kepada wali kelas masing-masing. I'll share the address in the Google Form. You
Jadi,
please write your introduction and then take photo ya,
Yes.
potret, and then add in the Google Form. Like that.
Thank you so much.
Okay, yeah. What else? Have you
That's all.
take the screenshot?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Yeah, good.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Maybe any question more? No?
When we go to
Yeah. Okay. I think it is enough for today. If you do not have any question anymore, yeah. And
Yes.
yeah. Don't forget, 2 days after now, you must submit the assignment. I think that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.